Voyage, voyage, voyage. A long journey involving travel by sea or in space.
Hey, you know what? So my cousin works with a space organization and guess where she's off to?
Where?
They're taking her on a space voyage.
What are you saying? Is she going to be traveling in space?
Yes.
Wow, that's
I
amazing.
know, it's so fascinating, but it's not that easy because she has to undergo so much training and preparation for outer space.
I'm sure it's not going to be easy taking a voyage in space. I'd love to talk to her. I want to know what is the kind of training that she's going through.
Sure, I'll put you in touch with her when she's back.
Yes, please, please. I'd love to talk to her. It's so exciting. Journey in space. Wow.
Let's use voyage in a sentence now. The space organization is taking 5 people on a voyage to outer space next year.